Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So let's talk eye bags and crepey skin under your eyes. Lately, I have been really happy with my under eye area. And if you are new here, this is a quick backstory. Quite a few years ago, when I started YouTube, if you've been with me that long, you might remember I had really quite big eye troughs, and I wasn't that much, I'm talking 7 years ago, I wasn't that much into skincare then. I used skincare, but it was just a simple day and night cream. I think I used to use Estee Lauder Day Defense or City Defense, something like that, nothing else. And as years went on, I obviously started getting more and more into skincare, but also my under eye area was bothering me so much. You could really see those troughs before my eyes became looking baggy. And I found a couple of creams. One was the Tranquility Skincare Banish Puffy Eyes, then later on Olay Pro Retinol Eye Cream, and they really helped. Anyway, as years went on, then my skin started getting much thinner, losing volume under my eyes and getting really fine lines. Crepey type of skin. So then about 4 years ago, I had eye troughs filled with a filler. And at first it looked lovely, I was very happy, but as you know, I have been complaining a few months back about my filler still being there, sort of moving a bit, and now and again it would attract water and I would be left with like two, especially on this eye, bigger bag. I started massaging it in, which helped a bit, but I started also researching what else I could do to improve this area under my eyes. And I found 3 products that are absolutely amazing. They are working for me. Remember that we are all different and our eye bags are there for different reasons. Some might be hereditary, some might be because you are overweight. That's another thing. All these years ago, I think I was probably 14 pounds heavier. So you all look more puffy anyway. It could be your age, and it could be there is a ligament under your eyes that can loosen up and you get those bags and like hanging shopping bags under your eyes, and sometimes nothing will help with that but surgery. So please remember that depends what your problem is. These might work, they will definitely help, but I don't know if they would get rid of your particular problem. But for me, these are amazing. So I think this result is a combination of my new skincare routine, which I started probably in January. If you haven't seen it, I will link it here. You will see all the products that I'm using. So it's a combination of that, I suppose, and these treatments. I don't know which one to start with. All of these are basically eye patches, but not your ordinary £3 or $5 eye patch that you just slap on for 10 minutes. The ones that I have are a bit more sophisticated, and I don't mean sophisticated, I mean in the technology, and they should give you longer and continued results. So maybe I start with the first one that I've tried, and this is the Skin Iceland Dissolving Microneedle Eye Patches. These are a miracle. Let me open it so I can show you. You only get a pair in here, and they are not reusable, they are one use. They come in this lovely tray. You have to peel off the back and the white sticker around it and then stick it under your eye. And if you look very closely, I will insert photo here because I won't be able to show you this on the camera. They are so tiny. They have tiny micro needles. So let me quickly tell you about them. These are press-on treatment patches featuring advanced bioactive dissolving microneedles that melt into your skin to help hydrate, firm and soothe the appearance of fine lines around your eye area. So these microneedles are actually formulated with 39% regenerative hyaluronic acid of high and low molecular weight for maximal absorption, plus a potent hexapeptide complex to help crepey skin. So these microneedles are made out of that, and when you press them in under your eye, they dissolve over time, and you can also apply your favorite serum under your eye before you put this on. So how you use them, you have to take off your makeup, obviously. Don't put any skincare on, and then you press these on. You will feel the microneedles going in. It's a bit stingy, but I quite enjoy the feeling. I feel, yes, work. So, and I also apply serum underneath, and I will show you in a minute which serum, because this is part of another eye patch treatment. You can go to bed with them, so you can sleep in them. I haven't done it with those ones. I just don't feel comfortable to have something under my eyes when I go to bed. So I take my makeup off early in the evening, I apply the serum, then I apply these. I sit there till I go to bed, and then I take them off and apply my eye cream. And as soon as I take them off, my eye area looks so much smoother, plumped, really nice. Obviously, it's not a miracle. My under eye area is never gonna look like it did when I was 20, but it's a massive improvement. And the next morning, my under eye area still looks really good. So with these, you're supposed to use them twice a week for the first 2 weeks, and then just once a week as a maintenance. And that's what I've been doing. I've done my twice a week, 2 weeks, a while ago now, and now I just use it once a week. Sometimes if I feel I need more, I use it more. The next product are Silk Skin eye pads. This is totally different idea, as these don't have any product in them. They are not soaked with anything. These are just medical grade silicone pads. You get in here 3 pairs, but each pair will last you 15 uses. So if you use it every day, it will last you 15 days. So in this pack, you've got 45 days of patches. So in this envelope, you get obviously the 3 pairs of your iPads, and then you get this plastic tray, and this is for when you take your pads off, you stick them back on here, and they are self-adhesive. They will keep the adhesion for up to 15 uses. When you start taking it off and you see that it's got a bit of stuff on it, because you know, stuff from your skin, dead skin will get attached to it, you can wash them in a cool water with non-oily soap, which I do probably every 3 uses. I will wash it, then I put them upside down on a paper towel overnight, let them dry, and then stick them back on. These pads are medical grade silicone, which help to hydrate the skin by pulling the skin's moisture to the surface and improving circulation. And this process improves collagen structure and in turn softens all the lines and sort of irons them out. So maybe you've heard of silicone pads, medical grade silicone pads that are used for scar healing. You will get, if you've got a bad scar, they will give you this, or you can buy the medical grade silicone pad and apply it every day on that scar for the scar to flatten and look smoother. So that works on the same basis. So how do you use them? Again, you can sleep with them. I've done it once. I went to bed with them. I didn't like it. So again, I do it for 2-3 hours in the evening. You have to wear them for at least an hour, but I'm sure the longer you wear them, the better results. So wearing them overnight would be probably good. You have to again take your makeup off, make sure you don't have any oils under your eyes, and you just stick them on and sort of smooth them out. Just sit there and then remove them and then apply your skincare. I haven't been using these for that long. I think I maybe used them 6 times now. And I try to do it every day, but I probably don't do it every day. And then once a week, I will do this one. And the last system that I have is Total Eye Concentrate Kit from Colorscience. Colorscience are amazing. They've just put all the medical grade stuff with a bit of color. So they do face SPF, body SPFs, they do, I've just actually bought the Total Face Shield. You've seen me using it before, but I used to have the original one. This time I bought the one that has sort of glow to it. So it's so lovely to use, and it acts as a, I suppose, brightening, glowing primer for under your foundation as well. Anyway, you can buy, so in here, you get the serum and the eye pads. You can buy the serum on its own, but if you want to use it together, then that's even better. So this is the serum that I use under these. You don't have to. If you have any other serum, you can use under these, but remember with the silicone pads, you use nothing. So let me tell you about this eye concentrate. This is very, very concentrated. All the ingredients. It comes with a roller ball, and you roll it 4 times on each eye, all around your eye. And then you will apply these two. And these are more of the traditional eye pads. They are also saturated with product. And these are more of a quicker fix. I mean, over time, obviously, they will improve your under eye area, but you know, say you are going somewhere, evening out, and you want to refresh your eyes, then you would use that, because you only keep these on for 10 minutes. Of course, you can keep them on for longer, but 10 minutes is enough. I don't know how many you get here. I can't remember now, because obviously I've already used some. So these I will often use just in the morning. If I feel I need my eyes a bit refreshed, I will use them because they're quick, 10 minutes. So the Total Eye Concentrate is actually called Total Eye Restore Concentrate. Is depuffing, hydrating, correcting dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, crow's feet, and improves skin laxity. And the eye patches are cooling eye masks that are infused with powerful ingredients to provide intense hydration, improve the appearance of eye area concerns, and you can use them once or twice a week. So I use them as I need them, as I feel that I need, you know, a bit of a pick-me-up. Oh, by the way, this eye concentrate now, I also use in the mornings. It's very watery, so it sinks in really quickly. So I use that, and then I apply my usual eye cream. So I'm giving it double dose of goodness. So let me quickly recap. These you can buy them just singly, or you can buy them in packs of 5. These you use twice a week for the first 2 weeks, then just once a week for maintenance. You can apply them with any serum that you have, or you can just apply them on their own, because also the microneedles will help the serum to get in deeper. Apply it on clean, non-greasy under eye area for at least an hour, or you can sleep in them. The silk skin pads you can use every day. Again, apply it on clean, dry, non-greasy under eye area. Do not put any product under it, just straight on. They are very comfortable, self-adhesive, come off nicely, and then you can reuse each pair up to 15 times. And every 3 uses, maybe give it a wash. And then the Total Eye Concentrate, 2-3 times a week, just for 10 minutes. if you want to refresh your eye, and obviously that will work with time as well. These are probably my favorite. They are, I think, like one of the, if not the most advanced eye patches on the market, so well worth trying. Anyway, you can use them all like I do, or just choose one type of iPads and try them. But you know, if you've been with me, you know how I'm obsessing always about my under eye area, and I get very, very upset about it. I suppose your eyes is the first thing people look at and see, and I think anything that happening under your eyes makes you always a bit look more tired and older. So I have been really obsessing, and then this mishap that is happening with the fillers. So I really threw everything but the kitchen sink at it, and I am so happy with the results. Don't get me wrong, I still have now and again a day that the lamp will come up, that my filler will come up, but all I do when I take my makeup off, which I do with a balm that is got slip to it, I take my makeup removing cloth and I try to massage that filler out, to spread it out. And then with using all this stuff and my new skincare routine, I am really, really happy. Okay, my lovelies, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you're using something unusual for under your eyes that is helping you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.